If you repair electronics, build PCs, solder components, or work on phones and gadgets, having a clean and organized workspace makes a huge difference. And today, we're checking out the NEWACALOX large silicone soldering mat, a professional-style repair mat designed for electronics work, soldering, and DIY repair projects. Now, at first glance, it might just look like a simple mat, but it actually has some really useful features. First, let's talk about the size. This is a large 500 by 350 millimeters work mat, which gives you plenty of space for phones, laptops, PC components, circuit boards, consoles, and other electronic repairs. So instead of working on a cluttered desk, you get a dedicated repair area that helps keep everything organized. One of the biggest highlights is the heat resistance. This silicone mat can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Celsius, meaning you can safely place your soldering iron or hot air gun directly on the surface without damaging your desk. That's especially useful for soldering, PCB work, and electronics repair. Another really helpful feature is the magnetic screw sections and storage compartments. If you've ever lost tiny screws while opening a phone or laptop, you already know how frustrating that can be. This mat includes dedicated sections to keep screws, IC chips, and small components organized while you work. The silicone material is also anti-slip, easy to clean, flexible, and durable for long-term use. So whether you're a beginner learning soldering or someone who repairs electronics professionally, this mat can make your workspace a lot more practical. Now let's talk about the price. Right now, the NEWACALOX large soldering mat is available for $26.42, which is 50% off the original price. For a large heat-resistant repair mat with magnetic organization sections, that's actually a solid tool for any electronics workspace. If you want to pick one up, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tools, repair gadgets, and awesome deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.